Hi guys and welcome back. In this video of creating exploit, I want to show you how I've created the exploit for this plugin of WordPress. The plugin is WP All Import and the vulnerable version is 367 and below. So I was doing a vulnerability assessment and I came across this vulnerability. I've tried to search for an exploit on the internet, but I couldn't find anything. So I decided to create the exploit. Not because it's hard to exploit manually, but because I like to automate things. Just that. In fact, on the page of WP Scan, you can see that the proof of concept is actually hidden. Okay, so how it works. First, we want to install WordPress. I'm not going to show you here how to install WordPress because it's pretty easy. And then we want to install the plugin. You can find the plugin at this page. I'm going to put the link in the description so you can download it. Once here, you just have to scroll down, click on Advanced View, then scroll down and select the version 367. Okay. Now, once you install the plugin, if you don't know how to do it, you can just go here, plugin, add new, and you can upload the plugin. Make sure that the folder in the web server has the right permission. Okay, otherwise it won't work, the installation. So before beginning, I've disabled the Windows Defender because the payload I'm going to use is common and Windows Defender will destroy it immediately. So I had to do it. Okay, let's see how the plugin works. First, we want to go here on New Import. The page on WP Scan says that we just have to upload a PHP file in a zip file, of course, along with a valid XML file. So let's try to do that. Let's create, for example, a file called test.html. Not HTML, sorry, XML. Try to do something like this. Okay. We want to create the PHP file. Now it will be just an echo of hello world, just to show you how it works. And we're going to create a zip file. We can call it, I don't know, maybe vault.zip. We put shell.php and test.xml inside, and we want to import this upload file, vault.zip, and wait, let me try to reload the page. Try again. Okay, it worked. The file is already here. Okay, is already uploaded. But if we go here on manage imports, it doesn't show up. in order to see the uploaded file here, we need to complete this the steps. Okay, so I want to go here, continue. At this point, it should be here, if I'm not wrong. Okay, wait, maybe I need another step. Let's see. Okay, something wrong here. Let me try again. Let's just delete this and try that again. Well, so we try to do this. Continue. Oh. Continue. Okay, let's see if now we can see the upload. Okay, we can see the upload. Now, what is the problem here? First, the upload shows up here, so it's not so stealth, you know? And second, every time we upload something, we have to go here on Manage Import and find our payload. Okay, as you can see, it's here. The name of the folder, of course, is random. So while creating the exploit, I came across a problem. I was uploading an invalid XML file, not because I was trying to force something, but because I didn't realize that it was invalid. But I could upload the file. Okay, so I want to show you this. Let me delete everything. Oh. Let me delete this. So I'm going to remove the XML file. Okay, so we want to create our well.zip with the shell. Okay, so let's try to import again. Well.zip. As you can see, the form to continue doesn't show up. It means that something went wrong. But still, the file has been uploaded. Okay, it's loading. Let's wait. Okay, the file has been uploaded. Now, the file will not show up here, so we can't find our payload because the folder name is random. I needed to find a workaround for this, and so I did. How the workaround works. Here in settings, there is an option called secure mode. Here. If we turn this off, the payload will be placed here. Okay, I'm going to show you. We save settings. We go here on new import. We try to import again our well.zip. as before, the form to continue doesn't show up, but we have our shell here. Okay, so if we go on that page, page should be content cross shell, if I'm not wrong. We have our PHP file. Okay, so the exploit will work this way. First, we log in. Then we go on settings and check if the secure mode is already enabled. If it is, we disable the secure mode, we upload the file, we re-enable the secure mode, and then we activate the payload. Okay, so let's see the payload. The exploit. The exploit is here. You can find it on GitHub and hopefully on exploit.db. I sent the email. Let's see if they will publish it. So let's download the exploit. You can download it maybe here. Yeah. Okay, so we can exploit.py. Okay, here is the exploit. So you can find the instruction on how it works in the exploit. So let's move on. These are the variables that you can change, okay, in order to configure the exploit. So first we want to set the target URL, and our target URL is this one. Okay, this is the base installation path. Do not put the slash at the end. Then we need an administrator credential. Okay, I have this. This is the path of the zip file that we want to upload. I don't remember where is the zip file. Okay, it's here, vol.zip, and it is on desktop, so we can just write vol.zip, and this is the payload file name that we are going to activate, and the payload was shell.php, which is fine. Now, since I'm working locally, I have to disable the SSL certificate verification. Okay, and I want to suppress warnings. So the exploit is ready. I'm going to show you that it works. Then I'll try to explain you the methods, okay, inside the exploit. So we want to download a reverse shell. Since the server is a Windows 10 machine, I'm going to take this reverse shell. So row. Okay. Oh. Let's call it shell.php. Let me see if shell.php is fine. Okay, we have to change, of course, our settings here. I'm going to use this port. We can remove our test.xml as we don't need it. And we can create the zip file. Okay. Now we have the zip file with our shell, and everything should work fine. Let's try. First, I want to show you that the secure mode is enabled. Wait, let me enable it. Okay, the secure mode now is enabled. I'm going to keep the shell here to show you that once you upload a new file, it gets overwritten. Okay. If I open this, you can see that the content is just the hello world. If it opens, maybe. Okay, as you can see, the content is the hello world. Now, let's try to run the exploit. Let's see if it works. And boom, we got the shell. So if we go here, you can see the zip file is has been added, but the shell.php has been overwritten. Okay, this is our shell. So how it worked? Let's close this. First, we want to log in, okay? And the method used to log in is wp_login. Let's go. This is the entry point. So, I'm sorry. Okay, here. Okay, here we go. This is the method that defines how to log in. This is the administrator account username. This is the password, and these are just parameters that you have to put. You must include this cookie when you log in, because WordPress needs that cookie in order to understand if your browser can manage cookies. Okay, so if you don't put this cookie, the login won't work. How do I tell? How can I tell? Sorry. If the login was successfully? By looking at the status code. So if the status code is 302, then the login was successfully. Okay, I'm going to show you. Let's try to log out. Okay, I'm going to use that password. Okay, we use bar suite so you can see. Okay. So to the repeater, I'm going to drop this, I don't care. So this is the wrong password, and as you can see, it gives a it gives it replies, sorry, with 200. Okay, so if we use the correct password, it replies with this code. So here we specify that we do not allow redirects. Okay, and we expect this code. If we find this code, then the login is correct. I also want to show you that we need this cookie. So if we do this, as you can see, it replies with 200. Okay, and it doesn't work. Okay, cookies are blocked or not supported by your browser. So let's okay, I want to log in again, maybe using the right credentials. Okay, we're back in. Now, how do we check if the secure mode is enabled? We check it here. Wait. Yeah. We check it in the plugin setting class that I created. Okay, let me find it. Okay, this is the class. Once you initialize the class, it automatically tries to check if the secure mode is enabled and tries to retrieve the WP nonce for edit settings and the nonce for uploading file, but we will see. So to tell if the secure mode is enabled, you can check if the checkbox with the ID secure is checked. And the checkbox is the one that I showed you before. And not here, here. This one. So if we find this string and we see that in this string, I'm sorry, and if we find, if we see that this string contains the word checked, it means that the secure mode is enabled. Okay, otherwise it is not. Let me remove this, save settings. And if we go here, as you can see, the checked string is not here. So this is how it works. Now, if it's enabled, we want to disable it, but we need unknowns. Okay, let me show you. Both for enabling and disabling, you need that. So what is this nonce? Let me show you. We want to do this, save settings. I send to the repeater. Okay. This is a nonce. Okay, we need it in order to upload, in order to update the settings. And how do we find it? Let's see, let's copy. Let's do this, I don't care. let's try to inspect again. Okay. And try to find this nonce. Okay, we got it. So we have to find this input hidden, and we have to retrieve the value. And this is actually how it works. Okay, you can find this WP nonce in the source file by searching for the following input hidden. And this value would be the WP nonce for editing the settings. So once we have that, we can update the settings. Okay, we want to drop that. We don't care. Okay. We have another nonce. That nonce is used to upload file. You can find the nonce in the same page. Okay, this is the method: retrieve a nonce, retrieve WP nonce upload file, and you can find this WP nonce in the source file by searching for the following JavaScript variable. So if we search for this, this is the nonce that we need. Okay, so we search for this variable and we take the value. This will be the nonce. Also, please notice that the nonce used for disabling or re-enabling the secure mode is the same, which is not secure. Okay, WP nonce should be used only once, of course. Anyway, after we retrieve the nonce, we can update the settings. So in order to do that, we just have to use Python to make the same call as this one. Okay, this is the call post. Okay, and oh wait, I forgot to say this. We don't need to specify every single parameter. Okay, we only need secure, which is the new value for this, the WP nonce, and WP HTTP referrer and is settings submitted. We only need this. So I want to show you that now is it should be disabled. No, it is not. Let me try that again. Okay, as you can see, it is disabled. And if we change secure to 1 using the same nonce, okay, is enabled. So now we know how to disable and re-enable secure mode. We need to upload the file. So in order to upload the file, we have to go here on new import. Wait, we enable the intercept. We select the upload and click open. And this is the code. Okay, we have to make a post request to this page. We have to specify the WP nonce, the one that we found here. with this variable. We have to specify the name, and we have to specify the content of the file. Let me show you in Python how I did it. Oh, guys, I'm not a Python expert, so if you see that I made some mistakes, please let me know. Okay, upload file. Okay, here we have our zip file name. Okay, this is the path, and this is the name of the file, which goes here. As you can see, data, and here we retrieve the content of the file and we upload the content. Now, let me show you this. I want to send it to the repeater. When I do this, okay, when I upload the content, the server replies with 200, okay. It gives some error, and it gives this message: please verify that the file you're uploading is a valid zip file. But the file has been uploaded, okay? So let me show you. So let's try to upload it again, and here, as you can see, it's uploaded. I'm going to disable the secure mode and upload again, and here is our file. Okay, so even if the server replies with 200, okay, we can't be sure that the upload went okay. Okay, was okay. So the exploit just says that the upload should be completed. It gives you the path where the upload should be. So if we take this link or copy link address, and we go here, we should let's see. Oh wait, I have barb sheet. Okay, we got the reverse shell. So the upload was completed, but you can't be sure of that. Okay. First, because you don't know if there is an anti-malware on the other side or something like that. Okay. After the upload, the secure mode will be re-enabled if it was enabled. Okay. I'm going to show you here. Where is... Okay, there is this method, switch back to secure mode, that will work only if the secure mode was enabled at first. Okay. Once you have uploaded the file and re-enable the secure mode, you have to activate your payload. Why am I choosing to use a method to activate the payload? Basically because the exploit doesn't come with a payload, so you can use your payload. And I don't know if you want to activate it manually, if you want to activate it with a post request, passing parameters or something like that. So I just wrote a standard method that activates the payload by using a HTTP GET request. Okay. So I want to show you again this. Let's go back here. We enable this setting. I show you that there are no imports here. And we delete everything from here. Our zip file only contains our shell and not an XML. And let's try again. So Python 3 exploit. And we got the shell. Okay. We didn't make any noise here because the upload doesn't show up. Of course, the noise on firewall and something like that has been made, of course. But here on the control panel, you can see actually that someone uploaded something. In the settings, you still have the secure mode enabled. So you don't know that someone uploaded something and gained a reverse shell. Okay? Well, that's all. I hope you liked the videos. Please leave a like and a comment below, and see you next time. Bye!